Bruce Lee's favorite weapon, the nunchucks. 2 varieties, wood to metal. Now these hurt when you practice as a beginner, so that's why I need this Zeleny foam rubber nunchucks. So this one comes with a 7-link design, which is attached together with welded, and it's got a thick foam rubber which protects you against hitting yourself, so it's light into impact. You got a very nice gold dragon, and my favorite is that it has a removable cover which you can put additional weight such as adding batteries or even sand into it. Let's test it out.